Bonjour les amis! Welcome back to FLS Kids. It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's word is all about you and me. Le corps. Can you say with me? Le corps. Le corps means the body in French. Our corps helps us run, jump, dance, and explore the world around us. Fred and Annette are doing some silly morning stretches to wake up their corps. Let's stretch our top part first, said Renette. Touchez la tête. La tête is the head. Fred wiggles his ears and points to his tête. Renette blinks her big eyes and points to her face. Now, look at me. Touchez les yeux. Les yeux, the eyes. We use our yeux to see all the beautiful colors. Fred hops on one foot and wiggles his toes. And don't forget to shake le pied. Le pied is the foot. Fred shakes his pied until he jiggles and falls over. Fred and Renette love moving their corps and staying active together. So, let's remember. Le corps, the body. La tête, the head. Les yeux, the eyes. Le pied, the foot. Bravo les amis! Can you touch your tête? Show us how you move your corps and tell us in the comments. And don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun French words every week. Salut!